State Street is obviously most known for being one of the biggest custodian in the world, and serving as asset manager. But within the bank, we also have a global markets arm, and that is where I would like to bring the angle in today. So the global markets angle is really the capital markets that we have when we serve one of a wide range of the world's largest institutional investor, from hedge funds to mutual funds, pension funds, and a variety of sovereign funds as well. And here in global markets, we serve our clients by providing liquidity and financing, such as FX trading, securities lending, outsourced trading, and many more. And in addition, we also provide tailored research to our clients. And that is where it's getting really, really exciting, where we also differentiate ourselves quite a bit from our competitors. We obviously do provide outlooks on markets and economics, but more and more, we're actually helping our clients in their investment decision, on analyzing their market risk and really trying to come up and improve with the data. And that's actually where the IA angle actually also comes in. And here I would like to stress two angles that we bring in, that where we really are different from our competitors. On the one hand, I mentioned we're one of the biggest custodians in the world. So you can imagine the amount of data we have and we can use. We are overseeing over 40 trillions in assets. That's massive data. Like that. And our clients love it for that, because we can distract them, bring them in anonymous version to the clients. And secondly, we have invested over 2 decades in a deep partnership with the academic community in Boston. We're Boston based. And here, obviously, we have one of the finest and most more known universities in the world. They're literally in our backyard, literally. And we work very closely with some of the most well-known experts and professors in the world in the field of inflation, technology, and AI. So first of all, I would say it has been really interesting to see how over the last 18 months, it has been a huge uptick, the way our clients are trying to figure out AI and how to embed it best. Some of the clients are using it to read and rapidly synthesize research reports written by their large analyst teams. Other clients are using it to find out hidden factors that has been overlooked by other investors. But the most common theme we see is that clients are approaching us trying to help them with machine learning models and help them basically translate that and help them getting an edge out of that. But I would say the bottom line is all these clients are watching this new technology transformation in a very positive way, but they're still trying to figure out how to best get the edge out of that. Now, to your angle, where they could use it best, I mean, I would say the answer is probably quite simple. At the end of the day, it's all about beating the benchmark. And we are trying to help our clients with this massive data that we have to help them get into a place where they can actually perform better and outbeat the competitors. In terms of hurdles, I would say by far the biggest hurdle is explainability. Managing money is a classic example of high stake applications for AI. I mean, if you would probably feel comfortable asking a chatbot on the next ideas for tourist attractions for your next trip to Switzerland. But would you do the same when it's about, would you let it manage your next egg? This topic of explainability becomes very central, because you wouldn't know, or mostly so far yet, the AI algorithm wouldn't really be able to tell you why, for example, it has picked a European stock versus a US stock. And I think that is something where the trust hurdle becomes really essential and really is one of the big challenges. So at State Street, we try to address it and embrace it head on, the topic of explainability. We do this by, on the one hand, we have our research team. They have developed special data solution tools. And this work has been published in peers reviewed journals, which now has also been picked up by the CFA Institute in their handbook when explaining machine learning and data scientists. So you can see clearly it's not just us who think we are great and some of our clients, but clearly it all comes nicely together. We work with providers, with firms like Price Stats, one of the or the leading provider when it comes to high frequency inflation analytics. So we can bring these data together with the analysts for inflation and serve even up to the US Federal Reserve, our clients, and seem to make them quite happy. So I guess ultimately that's coming back to the advantage we at State Street have being so huge, having such massive data. The best AI machine is useless if you don't have the underlying enough actually data. It's like with a Ferrari, it's useless with without a full tank of gas. And I think that is really what we try to address with our clients together. Well, it's a super exciting time, right? I mean, for investment managers and our community, this is really, really exciting. I mean, our clients are, they get paid in producing alpha, in producing and advising very good investment solutions. And I think with that new technology, things will become much faster, more productive. You will see providers where, in some instances, AI will augment the role of the analysts. You might be able to go much deeper into the data of a company and investments. And these data will then be used and sent over to a human portfolio manager. In other instances, we would expect that AI is augmenting the role of the portfolio manager. And then with that, the outcome of actually results and deals directly will be derived there. So it's a massive change, evolution. I think it's important that we embrace it fast and quickly, don't miss that boat. But it's going to be a wild ride. I'm really excited about this.